to talk about Ray Comfort's new movie, The Fool, in which he basically just lies his off and tries to downplay the fact that he will forever be known throughout the rest of history as one of the biggest laughingstocks in the history of the internet. I had to actually buy this movie. He sells this movie on his website for $19.99. But if you're an atheist, all you have to do is put the word atheist in the discount box, and you only have to pay $5. As always, atheism paying off once again. But the reason he's giving atheists a 75% discount is obvious. He wants us to make fun of him. He's become a master at cashing in on the attention. As always, if you enjoy what I do, please consider supporting me on Patreon, and every little bit really helps. Thanks guys, love you.